One morning you realize, that's it. I cannot take it anymore. The smell coming from the Oriental rug, and I have to clean it. My dog always on the rug. They play, they do some accident, the saliva, the cleaning product that I used, all of them came to a point that I have to clean the Oriental rug. But my Oriental rug, it's a high quality Oriental rug. It's made with a vegetable dye, Persian rug, Pakistani rug, Turkish rug. Then I want to clean it and be sure that upon receiving, I will have the rug completely odor free. I don't want to have no fuzziness that's caused by the scrubber, and I don't want to have any color on. I want the white to stay white and the red will stay red, but the main focus is removing the urine odor. Let's see how PetPeePee Oriental rug cleaning the Oriental rug the right way with a guarantee in writing. Color will never run, and 100% urine odor removal by using the Dead Sea odor-free cleaning product. What does it mean, odor-free cleaning product? It's upon delivery, upon receiving, you will never smell the deodorize or the chemical smell. Then all the other carpet cleaner deposit deep inside the rug to camouflage, to cover all the urine and the chemicals that you used on the rug during the year. PetPeePee, I clean Oriental rug as it's supposed to be, because I came from Israel to United States and I start working as a carpet cleaner. I realize since 1989 till today, the cleaning product is the same, the chemical is the same. So I decide to invent it, the PetPeePee Oriental rug drapery cleaning naturally by building the PetPeePee machine. Listen how this is work. The movement of the Dead Sea cleaner from left to right or from right to left and through the rug. This is the key issue to clean the Oriental rug. The urine crystal, the dirt, the sweat, the saliva, the cleaning product, the dust, all of them combine together in the middle of the rug, where is the foundation of the rug. By moving the cleaner from left to right and then through the rug, all the dirt and all the other crap, then it's in deep inside the rug, will go through the rug, fall down to the pan, and go to the sewage through the tube, then I can see what coming from the rug. And when your Oriental rug, it's clean, the tube is clear, I know I complete the cleaning process. Another few cycles to be sure then is nothing wrong, and that's it. Your Oriental rug is clean. I dry the rug on the floor, and then after 12 hours the rug will be hung for special drying. I brush the rug by hand, the same thing like the lady leaving the hairdresser with the hair is to the one way. That's it. I complete the cleaning process. Open the rug in the living room, listen to the music, and you're welcome to dance tango on the clean Oriental rug. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today.